AltiSM delivers best-in-class loitering time and range, while leveraging autonomy to execute collaborative teaming and coordinated strikes. The ALTI-US-600M is a loitering munition variant of the commercial, dual-use ALTI-US-600 platform. Fully integrated on a variety of platforms, such as MRZR, JLTV, UH-60, and others with multi-domain launch capability from air, land, and sea, the 600M extends the reach and survivability of manned assets in deployed environments. It delivers twice the loitering time and range of current market offerings and leverages autonomy to enable a single operator to control multiple assets simultaneously. Best-in-class range, payload, and endurance, Altia 600 launches from a variety of platforms and altitudes, providing increased capabilities to any mothership. Developing technology for half a century, Aselsan is a leading international defense electronics company that offers solutions in a wide range of fields from under the sea to outer space. Aselsan continues to offer the best solutions and develop groundbreaking technologies in many fields, such as air defense, radar, electronic warfare, electro-optics, avionics, guidance, land and weapon systems, underwater systems, communication, satellite, and space. Command and control systems in the military field, and transportation, security, energy, and health technologies in the civilian field. The Teledyne FLIR SUGV is a portable, single-person lift robot with dexterous manipulation for dismounted and mobile operations. SUGV provides operators with a highly mobile, less than 30 pounds, 13.6 kilograms robot solution that climbs stairs and manipulates objects. SUGV is controlled by the Appoint multi-robot control system, featuring a touchscreen-based ruggedized tablet that allows an operator to select from across the family of connected robots. The familiarity of this Android-based controller results in a significantly reduced learning curve for robot operators. Appoint also benefits from superior wireless communications. The MPU-5 radio operating on the Wave Relay Money allows robots to penetrate deeper into complex structures and further downrange than ever before. Based on DOKING's experience, MV3 Testudo is a counter-terrorism robotic vehicle, remotely controlled, robust and reliable, with standard and special front and rear tools. It is modular vehicle man multi-mission capable, the best to be used in counter-terrorism activities, hostage, and other crisis situations. It is equipped with a collapsible nige for plus front shield, and removable and interchangeable ballistic shields attached to the rear of the vehicle. It is also equipped with gripper, harpoon, advanced video system, light, and sound effects. The vehicle is remotely controlled and can be used for indoor, outdoor operations. It can be used for ballistic protection of tactical teams, increased firepower, casualty evacuation, obstacle removal on path of intervention, breaching and dynamic entry, disabling and distracting perpetrators with sound and light effects, safer and faster approach of tactical teams to the operational zone, reconnaissance and surveillance. Biron Light Armored Vehicle was first presented at the Exhibition Max 2017. Its main advantage is the modular design, due to which it can be adapted to the various missions by replacing the rear mission module. In front of Biron is an armored cabin, in which besides the driver and the commander can sit for solders, each crew member has his own door. Armor provides crew protection class 6A, i.e. it protected against 7.62 armor-piercing bullet fired from a SVD sniper rifle. At the same time, there is no mine protection. Would you believe that origami can stop bullets? The origami above does just that. Why origami? Allows barrier to quickly deploy to complex shape. Allows barrier to be compactly stored. Allows for barrier to be manufactured flat. For more advantages of origami in engineering, see our website, cmr.byu.edu. This Instructable will help you create your own paper barrier. In the real barrier, the panels needed to be made of thick bulletproof material. A variety of thick folding techniques were used. If you happen to need a sturdy and long-lasting day pack, here you have one. G-Curiam is made to endure tough use. The materials have been chosen this in mind. Tough is good and all, but that alone doesn't cut it. Luckily, this backpack is also superb to use. G-Curiam is a modern-day pack designed on the basis of the Light Border Patrol, one that dares to carry even heavier loads on the back or backpack without shouting Hosanna. The DITA self-propelled gun howitzer vehicle is a new modern artillery weapon using a NATO 155mm standard ammunition. It derives from the original Czechoslovak concept of Tatra truck-mounted howitzers, but it takes the autonomy of operation to the next level. DITA offers an unprecedented rate of fire with only 2 members of the crew required, the driver and the commander. It features a modern onboard control system with high speed in taking up and leaving the firing position, great accuracy, and excellent hard terrain crossability. The Robotics SOFLPU is the smallest self-righting inflatable PFD for maritime special operations on the market and features a new hammer manual inflator. 5 years of extensive collaborative research and development between Mustang Survival and Hammer led to the creation of the smallest self-righting inflatable PFD available for maritime special operations. Using a new hammer manual inflator, this Robotics SOFLPU only inflates when the user chooses, avoiding accidental deployments. The LPU is also available in our standard HID inflator MD1501 and with a programmable automatic inflator that allows users to switch between inflation settings triggered by depth, time submerged in water, or a combination of both MD1500. EMPL is one of the world's leading manufacturers of recovery structures for military use. Developments and innovations in various areas optimize the passive and active safety of emergency personnel. No two recovery operations are the same. Our structures can handle any scenario and any damaged vehicle, car, truck, trailer, or wheeled armored vehicle. The EHW-200 Bison is able to tow all wheeled vehicles using an extra flat underlift with lifting capacities of up to 14 tons. Crane attachments, up to 5 winches, and other additional equipment make the Bison the perfect recovery vehicle.